Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today I am going to explore a perfume sample I had from Christian Dior, and the perfume is Gris Dior. And so let's try to see which one was that. Okay, so here we have it. Okay, so I personally like only two perfumes from Christian Dior, and I will tell you the names of those two perfumes at the end of this video, and they really suit all the women. And let's try to spray this Gris Dior. I didn't like it much. Okay, the start is kind of something floral or citrus. Yes, there is rose, I think. A bit floral, that is giving me some itchy nose. It's kind of like jasmine, but I cannot pinpoint jasmine. It's kind of floral, like some citrus floral mix. I'm not sure, it is kind of accord, something like that. Feels modern. Elegant, but for women, I think. A bit spicy, spices are there. Floral, spicy, rose was in the start, but I don't detect rose much now. Maybe something woody or patchouli in the background. Patchouli is kind of, I would say, damp, spicy kind of feel, like spices have been mixed in kind of milky, damp notes, something like that. So patchouli is kind of that. It is herbal, it is earthy, it is spicy, kind of that. So that thing is in the background. But I think there are some florals. Now the powderiness is coming up. In the start it was not powdery, and you already know that I dislike powdery perfumes. Definitely it's floral. Okay, so now if I try to describe it, it's kind of yellow-white floral, maybe red in the start, which is rose. Then it is mostly kind of patchouli based, something like white florals and patchouli, maybe something like that. But they haven't listed anything like jasmine over there. But I think there is something, some hint of it. Yes, it is earthy, it is powdery, it is light white floral, and kind of feel like elegant woman, but I would not recommend it for wives, or if you want to, wear it in front of your partner. Just okay. For me, it is just a kind of like office perfume for a businesswoman, maybe above 40. I personally wouldn't recommend it to, for women. I personally didn't like it. Maybe one of you might love it or like it a lot. Oh, so I don't want to get a headache. Okay, so here are my thoughts about this Gris Dior. It is kind of white, floral, rosy, maybe light citrus, powdery, mostly powdery, powder heavy, white floral, kind of woody, which is woody would be mostly patchouli. I don't detect any cedar wood or any kind of woody feel that I really enjoy in perfumes. So this is kind of like patchouli, white floral, powdery kind of perfume for me, and I hope you have enjoyed this review. I would give it like 5 out of 10 from scent profile, and I think performance would be like 7 out of 10 average performance, and that is my 2 cents about Gris Dior. Okay, so the perfumes I love from Christian Dior, Purple Oud and Amber Nuit. I think Amber Nuit was the one I really loved. I think if you can get a bottle of 125 ml and you are a woman, Amber Nuit is a really lovely perfume. Amber Nuit and Purple Oud. Purple Oud is for summers, maybe sometimes in winters, but mostly for summers. Amber Nuit is for winters and it is an elegant perfume. Very well done. So that is all. This is my review about Gris Dior from Christian Dior. I hope you have enjoyed it. I think I have to go to the door now because whoever is ringing the bell, he will not go away. Okay. Take care and we will meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.